So guys, in this video we'll be talking about the Tapo camera, and I've just received a message from one of the subscribers, and what he writes here is that he's got a couple of questions. Maybe I thought it would be helpful. So the first question is, if my Wi-Fi internet is not available, will it continue recording on an SD card? Definitely it would, because the SD card is basically installed inside in the camera over here. So if I flip the lens on the top, and the SD card is installed over here. So yes, you don't need Wi-Fi to record on your SD card. Well, you would need Wi-Fi once, and then once when it starts recording, then you don't need Wi-Fi anymore. It'll just keep on recording. The second question is, if I switch off my camera for some reason and then switch it on again, will it connect to the Wi-Fi automatically when available? 100% it would. No issues. This piece of kit, it's really functionable. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it. I had the Yale, I took that off, it was giving me troubles. This is a really nice piece of kit, and it really does connect to the Wi-Fi without any issues, so you won't be having any problems with that. He asked me that, and will it record again on the SD card from the time it was switched on again? Yes, it would, because the reason is that once when you have set it up for your recording through your mobile app, it would the settings would remain over there, and it'll just keep on recording, so regardless of the Wi-Fi. What is the angle area covered in the degrees? Well, that's a bit of a tricky one. I'll show you on the app, and then you can judge for yourself that what sort of area does it cover. But I'm guessing that it's pretty decent. I'm not sure what the exact field of view is, but maybe you can Google that up. Right, so the next thing he asks is that can we see a live video or access the camera through the app on more than one mobile? Supposed to family members want to see the recording. Okay, yeah, so the thing is that you just need to download the app, and in the app I'll just show you what you need to do is that once when you open the Tapo app, there's an option over there. You can use the same sign-in email address and password for both mobile phones, and then from there you can see the recording. Fifth question is, can we download the old recording from the memory card to our mobile using application? Yes, so the Tapo app inside has the facility that you can download the the footage onto your mobile phone, and you can do whatever you want to. So I hope that answers your questions for the Tapo C200 indoor CCTV camera. Now I'm just going to open up my mobile app, and I'm going to show you over there. So yeah, so in this Tapo app, the first thing you will see is you have that sort of interface, and you've got these options on the bottom. It says camera, detection, memory, and me. So in the camera, if I were to click that, and it would give a live view. Now if I click playback, and I have all these playbacks where I can basically play back the different sort of footage from it. The good thing is that you can even zoom in into the playback, which I really love. And another feature, what I like in this app is that you can do the settings from here. So if I click the gear icon over there, and if I go into detection and alerts, you can set up zones, and you can even set up the sensitivity. And from here you can set up the recording schedule. You can do a continuous recorder, you can do a motion detection. So I've done a motion detection for all the days. So you just have to click that, and either you do a continuous recording or motion detection. So I've done it for all the days. And that would basically, what would happen is that you just click select all, motion detection, save, and that would basically start recording all the footage. Now, example, you want the footage to go onto your mobile phone. What you can do is there are two ways. Either you can unplug the SD card and take it out from there, or the other way is that you can even go into playback, and you can basically you can just record whatever you want to from that area, and then you can go into the memory, and over here all your recordings would be available. Guys, I hope it was helpful, this quick video on the Tapo app and the Tapo C200 indoor camera. It's really a very good piece of kit. I've been using it for some days, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and asking the questions. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions, just let me know. All right guys, bye for now.